Hi everyone, Mr. Praveen. Welcome to Simple Ample. Today on this video, I will show you how to create people cards feature. Google's a brand new feature called people cards. I will show you how to edit and how to update your details, which makes your personal details appear on Google search. So without any delay, let's head back and have a look how to do that. You need to open Google application on your smartphone. Before we start, one thing I have to tell you, this feature right now is accessible or available only on your smartphones, not on any other devices such as desktop. So to create this people cards or your uh, personal details appear on search, you have to use your smartphones. Right now I am using my Android device and I have opened Google application where I'll search for add me to search. You need to use a keyword called add me to search. As soon as you type that specific keyword, you'll be able to see an option to input your personal details to create your card for Google search engine. Since I've already created my card, as you can see at the topmost section on the screen right now, which is my personal people card. To create yours or you are creating for the first time, usually what you see is, let me show you, that section would show you something like, give me a moment. So you will be able to see at the very beginning, as soon as you input add me to search, the topmost section will show you as add yourself to Google search. So this is a feature card. As soon as you input this per specific keyword, you will be able to see this section. So to enter your personal details, all you have to do is you have to click on a link below which is mentioned as get started. If you click that specific link, you will be able to edit your personal details and successfully create your card for Google search engine. So since I have already created, what I'll show you is I'll just take you to edit section and I'll show you what all things are your personal details where you can input. Okay, for that, as I mentioned, you have to make sure you have used your Google application by signing into your Google account. Without that, this will not be done. So you will have to log in and then only you will be able to create this card. So this card is meant only for Indian audience right now, where Google has released this feature only for India, not across the globe. And this will also be useful and helpful for businesses where they can ask their customers or anyone, like where you introduce yourself to someone, means you can just ask them to search on Google, and at the very beginning your customer or your friend or someone, like, they can search on Google and they find your personal details on Google search engine. So usually this will reduce the print media, which is right now is business cards. So it reduces all business card sharing and it will be helpful for all the enterprises. So right now I am on edit to public card section. First thing is you have to input your name, location where you are currently living, about what you are actually doing. You can write a brief description about that, and then you can write occupation, like where you're working or what you're working as, work location or work place name or company name, education, hometown, website if you are having your personal website or your company website, phone number, email ID. So these are the primary details which you can input along with your social profiles. So social profiles means you have about 5 to 10 options. Very basic ones are like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. So these things you can input, and also you can input a few others such as Pinterest, SoundCloud, and YouTube. So there are almost 5 to 7 options are there. You have to give the link and then click on preview. So you'll be able to see how exactly your personal card would look like, or people card would look like on search engine. Once you made sure like all the details are proper, then click on save. So once you save this, your personal card or your particular people card is visible on search. So now I'm clicking on view search card. Right now, as you can see, this is my people card on Google search engine. Hope you understood how to create people card on Google search engine and how to make yourself appear on Google with all your professional and personal details. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Have a great day.